What is up, everybody? It's your boy Chubbs. Welcome back to another video. Alright, before we start this video, I just want to thank everybody for all the support and say Happy New Year's to everyone, and hopefully this year goes better than last year. Last year was freaking crazy, and you know, it wasn't a good year for everybody. I just want to wish good health to everybody, and hopefully everybody stays safe and has a good year. Alright, so here we are with both the contestants for the next giveaway, and I let you guys choose, and I want to say at least it was like 60 people said extended cab and like 40 people said single cab. So we're going to be doing the extended cab as a giveaway, and right now we're going to be checking it out from motor to all the way to the rear end and everything, so you guys can see what's in the truck, and maybe we'll be talking about future plans. I think we're going to be doing a hood swap. Probably the first thing we're going to do is a hood swap. Go from this hood and put on this truck, because I know a lot of you guys actually like the hoods. So here we go. Let's go to the motor. All right, 5.3 liter V8, 180,000 miles, rear wheel drive. What year?
This one's 99.
99? 1999, guys. But look at it. It's looking like a freaking 2020 to me. Whole front end, HD, everything. Z71 valence. We got the LED headlights, the new generation ones with the strip. Motor's completely stock. We got an intake on the way, and motor work. Huh?
SS1 wing also.
You also ordered a wing? Damn, okay. Oh yeah. And we're also probably gonna be doing some upgrades to the motor, since the outside is pretty much looking good, but nothing major, you know. One thing that surprised me about this truck, there are no tears whatsoever on the driver's seat. Look at this thing. My leather seats on my Denali are all ripped up, but look at these. Good condition, guys. And another good thing, it has a center seat with a console that opens and closes up and down. Look at that. Look at that cluster. All blue. One of the best colors in the world. It already has a nice screen right here on the inside. One thing a lot of people love about this is the double sunroof. That's something you won't have to buy yourself. It's already badass. And I just realized it has suede headliner in red, so it matches the bed of the truck. So check it out. Looking good. And you got space in the back for your kids, or never mind. All right. So now we're off here to the bed. It has red bed liner. The top is color mesh right here with the bed. And it has an upgraded rear bumper. Rear diff is stock, right?
Yeah.
Stock rear diff. I believe it's on I want to say a 4.8 drop, I want to say. Sure is looking clean though. And then you have the single cab over there looking sad, because nobody wanted it. Just kidding. We will actually, if we work on that truck, we'll actually be putting videos on it too, so I don't know if you guys can guess why we might be doing that, but so yeah, guys, here's the giveaway truck. It's looking really good. I'm gonna close everything up, move it so we could get some more video on it, give you guys some more info about the giveaway, when it starts, how many entries is gonna be, and when can you enter? Can you move for me, bro?
Yeah.
Let's put it at that corner over there. What is up, everybody? It's your boy Chubbs, and welcome back to Bigocrew giveaway number 2. So right here we got a 99 Chevy Silverado extended cab with some upgrades. As you can tell, it's not stock. So this will be the second giveaway we are doing, and you guys are gonna have a chance to win it here. So for the first week, starting today, January 3rd, all the way till January 10th, we're gonna be doing 20 time entries. So every $10 you spend, you're gonna get 20 entries for a chance to win this truck. BigOChubbs.BigCartel.com. That's where you're gonna be getting all your merch from and all your entries. Good luck to everybody, and hopefully you're the winner. Alright guys, we're gonna banner the new giveaway truck. We still got this one here, still waiting on the guy that's gonna paint it, and just gotta do an oil change on it. That video is coming soon. I've just been super busy, haven't been able to do the oil change on it, but it'll be out soon, and the giveaway winner will be coming to get it. But here we got the new giveaway truck. Like I said, we're gonna banner it, take off the current banner it has. Alright, yeah, so there you guys have it. It's the extended cab that we're doing the giveaway on. Like I said, entries start today, January 3rd. 20 time entries for a week. Get your entries in, guys. It's gonna be badass, man. Badass. And I also have 3 new shirt designs. You guys will see them right here on the screen. Or I might be able to only show you 2 for now, but then tomorrow will be the next design. But here, check out these for now. They're ready to go. Actually, not ready. These are still pre-orders because I still gotta get the shirts made with the design and everything. Yeah, two extended cabs on the lot. Guys, first things first. Go for it, bro. Get rid of that thing. It looks like freaking electric tape. It does, dude. But it's vinyl wrap, no?
Yeah, vinyl wrap.
Hell yeah. Sorry, Remy.
No, I was like, what the fuck?
I wanted to confuse it. You always confuse me, man. Damn, you got me back with my own thing.
Nah, I don't have anything.
Damn, it looks better already, bro. Damn. It looks pretty cool with that red line, actually. But now take it out.
It's glowing in the dark.
With the red line?
No, I'm fucking with you.
What the fuck?
Oh, I can't get it from down there.
Oh, you're gonna have to pop the hood so you can get it good.
Yeah.
There we go.
Gone.
No more thong.
Gone.
No more G-string.
Sucks.
Alright, now time for that Sick Truck Events banner. No disrespect to Sick Truck Events.
Yeah, no disrespect.
We support. Medium. Bigocrew decal that's crooked. We're gonna put a bigger one and then a red, because this truck's gonna be red and shit. Oh shit, I didn't know this side also had it. Alright guys, I just realized something that the owner didn't tell me.
Sorry.
Okay, so yeah, so this is the truck, guys. I'm gonna end the video right here. He's gonna tell you one more thing, and then we're just gonna end it. It has front speakers. Look, that's fucking badass. So for all you tacuaches out there, you could blast your fucking Unioracha and shit. So there you go. All right, guys, go ahead and get your merch. Like I said, 20 time entries. So giveaway starts now. Peace out, everybody. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate all the support, and I'm just blessed that I'm able to bring you guys another giveaway. Once again, shout out to my homie right here, my partner. This is Truck. So
Fuck yeah, follow me. Don't forget that.
follow him on Instagram, guys. It's right there. It's right there on his shirt. Let me see your shirt.
I don't have it.
It's right there. I'll put it.
Oh
for you.
shit, my bad. All right, go for it.
There it is.
Yeah, that's right.
All right, guys. See you guys later. Peace out. We still gotta take this shit off too. Forgot about that.
Oh! Now you're good.
All right, so you guys might be like, why isn't he keeping the truck at his house? I still have the other giveaway. That's why I'm letting him keep the truck pretty much until this one is gone. Like I said, I'm still waiting for the painter to let me know when to give me the go ahead that I can go take it so they can start working on it, and in 2 weeks it'll be ready after that. So yeah, that's why the truck isn't staying here until this one is gone, and hopefully I can get it out soon because I don't want to keep the winner waiting too long. Plus I want to see how it looks when it's fully painted. So man, I'm excited. All right, guys, I'll catch you on the next video. Peace out, everybody. TCB, and see you guys later.